Hi, this is Teacher Hazel and I am going to discuss multiplication of integers. There are two cases in multiplying integers. The first one is when you are multiplying numbers or two numbers having the same signs. And the second one is when you are multiplying numbers having different signs. Let us discuss first multiplying numbers with the same signs. Okay, let's say for example, we have positive number multiplied by positive number. The answer is positive. So in symbol, positive times positive, the answer is positive. Okay, so in the same manner, when we multiply two negative numbers, negative times negative, the answer is positive. Okay, in symbols, we have negative times negative equals positive. Okay, these are the examples. Let's say we have positive 5 times positive 3. So they are both positive. The answer is positive, which is 15. So 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Okay, when we multiply two negative numbers, negative 5 times negative 4. So negative times negative, the answer is positive. So 5 times 4 is 20. So therefore, it's positive 20. Okay, so let's say we have negative 7 multiplied by negative 9. The answer is positive 63. So remember, negative times negative, the answer is always positive. Then we also have positive 12 times positive 3. The answer is positive 36. Okay, so the second case is when you are multiplying two numbers having different or unlike signs. These are the rules. So let's say you are going to multiply positive by negative. So positive times negative, the answer is negative. In symbols, we have positive times negative equals negative. Or if we have negative times positive, the answer is negative. In symbols, we have negative times positive, the answer is always negative. Okay, here are the examples. So let's say you are going to multiply positive 5 by negative 3. So positive times negative, the answer is negative. So therefore, 5 times negative 3, the answer is negative 15. Okay, another one, we have negative 7 times positive 9. So we have negative times positive. The answer is always negative. So the answer is negative 63. What if we have this one? So let's say we are going to multiply negative 5 by negative 2 by negative 3. So here we are dealing with three numbers. So negative 5 times negative 2 times negative 3. What are we going to do first? So first we have to multiply negative 5 by negative 2. So negative 5 times negative 2, the answer is positive 10. And then multiply by negative 3. So 10 times negative 3, the answer is negative 30. Because, okay, so we have positive 10, positive times negative, the answer is negative. So 10 times negative 3 is equal to negative 30. Okay, next, if we have 2 times 3 times negative 7, what do you think is the answer? So again, you multiply the first two numbers first. So 2 times 3, the answer is positive 6. And then multiply by negative 7. So positive 6 times negative 7. The answer is negative 42. Okay, that's all. Thank you.